Hello students, now let's continue our story that our author Mitchell Morpurgo went to Bridport to meet Connie Macpherson, but instead of house he could see that there was nothing but burnout shell, and she was not there. She was in the nursing home, shifted in the nursing home. So our author went to nursing home. So let's see what happened then. First paragraph on page number 15. I found Burlington House nursing home easily enough. There were paper chairs up in the hallway, and lighted a Christmas tree stood in the corner with a lopsided angle on top. So that was the description of that nursing home, and he reached there. I said I was a friend come to visit Mrs. Connie Macpherson to bring her a Christmas present. So author reached there, then said that I was the friend of Mrs. Connie Macpherson and I wanted to give her a Christmas present. I could see through into the dining room where everyone was wearing a paper hat and singing. જેટલા પણ આ નર્સિંગ હોમમાં હતા they all were wearing paper hat. બધાએ paper hat પહેરી હતી and રૂમને પણ ખૂબ સરસ બ્યુટીફુલી એને સજાવ્યો હતો. So the matron had a hat on too and seemed happy enough to see me. Everyone were wearing hat. Matron was also wearing a hat. Everyone was very happy and they singing and dancing. So matron here means a woman in charge of nursing home. The woman was in charge of nursing home. So he was happy to see me. She even offered me a mice pie. Mice pie is a British word. It means a sweet specially eaten at Christmas. Christmas ઉપર ખાવા માટે એક sweet હોય. It is mice pie. So that matron offered me a mince pie and she walked me along the corridor. હવે જ્યાં મિસિસ કોની મેકફર્સન છે ત્યાં આ મેટ્રન આપણા ઓથરને લઈ જાય છે. So she walked along with me to the corridor. Mrs. Macpherson is not in with the others, she told me. અને કહ્યું કે મિસિસ મેકફર્સન બધાની સાથે નથી. She is rather confused today, so we thought it best if she had a good rest. She was today little bit confused. થોડી વધારે confused છે. So we thought that she had a good rest. એને rest આપવો જોઈએ. She has no family, you know. No one visits, so I am sure she will be only too pleased to see you. So she had no family and no one meets her. કોઈ પણ એને મળવા આવતું નથી. So she was very happy if she see you. તમને જોઈને ખૂબ happy થશે. She took me into a conservatory with wicker chairs and potted plants all around and left me. So that matron took me to the conservatory. જ્યાં એમને રાખવામાં આવ્યા હતા એ conservatory રૂમમાં લઈ ગયા, and that conservatory room was full with wicker chairs and potted plants all around there. So રૂમની અંદર શું હતું? Plants are there all around and she left me there. અને મને ત્યાં છોડ્યો. The old lady was sitting in a wheelchair. એક old lady બેસેલા હતા wheelchair ઉપર. Her hands folded in her lap. So that old lady was Mrs. Connie Macpherson. Now here author describe about Connie Macpherson. Her hands folded in her lap. Folded કર્યા હતા hands. She had silver white hair pinned into a wispy bun. You can see here she had a silver white hair and pinned into a wispy bun. એનો બન બનાવ્યો હતો. ઓકે, description of Connie. She was gazing out at the garden. She was looked out. Gazing out means she was looked out at the garden. Hello, I said. She turned and looked up at me vacantly. Otter said that hello, and she turned. Connie turned and looked up at our otter vacantly. Vacantly means without saying anything. Okay, so without saying anything, she turned and looked up at our otter. Happy Christmas, Connie, I went on. આગળ વધ્યા આપણા otter અને શું કહ્યું? Happy Christmas, I found this, I think it's yours. So that box, letter box, એ શું આપવા માટે આવ્યા છે? That letter box આપવા માટે આવ્યા છે. And told that I found this, મને આ મળ્યું છે, and I think it's yours, મને એવું લાગે છે આ તમારું છે. As I was speaking, her eyes never left my face. જ્યારે આ બોલી રહ્યા હતા our otter, અને એવું લાગ્યું કે he eyes never left my face, અને એની જે કોનીની જે આઈઝ છે it continuously look our otter, continuously look our otter. I opened the tin box and gave it to her. Connie Macpherson શું કરે છે? Only continuous look our otter. She never told anything. કંઈ પણ નથી કહેતા. Vacantly looked to our otter. I opened that tin box and gave it to her. Tin box open કર્યું and gave it to her. That was the moment her eyes lit up. Lit up here means become bright with happiness. So when she saw a tin box, she was become very happy with recognition, and her face become suffered with a sudden glow of happiness. Suffered with means spread up a happiness all over on her face. So she was become very happy to look that tin box. Tin box ne joine Connie was very happy. I explained about the desk, about how I had found it, but I don't think she was listening. Otter એ બધું describe કર્યું. How he had get that desktop, then how he could got the letter, અને કેવી રીતના letter મળ્યો. So but Connie was not listening. For a while, turn the page. For a while she said nothing. થોડો સમય કંઈ પણ નહીં કહ્યું, but stroked the letter tenderly with her fingers. Stroked the letter tenderly. Tenderly means with kindness. એના ફિંગરથી આણે લેટર કંઈ પણ નહીં કહ્યું. Without said anything, she stroked the letter with kindness. Suddenly she reached out and took my hand. મારા સુધી આવી અને મારો હાથ પકડ્યો. Her eyes were filled with tears. અને કોનીની આઈઝ આંસુથી ભરાઈ ગઈ. You told me you had come home by Christmas, dearest. That was the first words of Connie Macpherson. કોનીએ પહેલી વાર બોલી. શું કહ્યું એણે? ફર્સ્ટ વર્ડ્સ ઓફ કોની મેકફર્સન વિથ અવર ઓથર. ઓથર મળવા ગયા, બધું એને એક્સપ્લેન કર્યું. હાઉ હી ગોટ ધ લેટર, હાઉ હી ગોટ ધ ડેસ્ક. ઓકે, બટ નથિંગ ટુ સે. કંઈ પણ નહીં કહ્યું કોનીએ. નાઉ શી સ્ટાર્ટ સ્પીકિંગ. ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ એમણે સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું બોલવાનું. એન્ડ શું સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું? યુ ટોલ્ડ મી યુ હેડ કમ હોમ બાય ક્રિસમસ ડિયરેસ્ટ. તમે મને કહ્યું હતું ક્રિસમસ સુધીમાં હું આવી જઈશ. She said, and here you are, the best Christmas present in the world. Come closer, Jim dear, sit down. So here કોની સમથિંગ કન્ફ્યુઝડ, કંઈક કન્ફ્યુઝનમાં લાગે છે. અને એવું થયું કે ધેટ મેન વોઝ હર હસબન્ડ જીમ મેકફર્ઝન હુ રિટર્ન ફ્રોમ ધ વોરમાંથી પાછા આવી ગયા એના હસબન્ડ, એવું લાગ્યું. કોને જોઈને? આપણા ઓથરને જોઈને લાગ્યું કે હી વોઝ નો વન બટ માય હસબન્ડ, મારા હસબન્ડ છે એવું લાગ્યું. ઓકે, સો એના આંખમાં આંસુ આવી ગયા અને એણે કહ્યું કે ધેટ વોઝ ધ બેસ્ટ ક્રિસમસ પ્રેઝન્ટ ઇન ધ વર્લ્ડ. તમે મને કહ્યું હતું કે ક્રિસમસ પર હું આવી જઈશ એન્ડ યુ આર હિયર. તમે તમારું પ્રોમિસને પૂરું કર્યું. ઓકે, સો ધેટ ઇઝ ધ બેસ્ટ ક્રિસમસ પ્રેઝન્ટ ફોર મી, told by Connie Macpherson, and said, "Sit down, Jim, sit down, dearest Jim." So I sat down beside her. That is just here I sit down beside her. Our author, he was not, એ આપણા author છે. author કોણ છે? મિચેલ મોર્પર્ગો. એ જીમ નથી. ઓકે, અહીંયા કન્ફ્યુઝન જો દૂર કરવું હોય આપણા ઓથરે તો he can reveal his identity, but he did not reveal his identity. Here he has chance, but he let it pass. એણે ચાન્સ લીધો નહીં, એને જવા દીધો. એણે એનું કન્ફ્યુઝન ક્લિયર કર્યું નહીં કે આઈ એમ નોટ યોર હસબન્ડ, આઈ એમ મિચેલ મોર્પર્ગો. ઓકે, બટ હવે ઓથરે એમનું આઈડેન્ટિટી કહ્યું નહીં અને કોનીનું કન્ફ્યુઝનને કન્ટિન્યુ કર્યું. એન્ડ સેટ ડાઉન બિસાઇડ હર, અને કોનીની બાજુમાં બેસી ગયા. And she kissed my cheek. I read your letter so often, Jim, every day. હું રોજ તમારો લેટર વાંચું છું. I wanted to, હવે કોની એને એક્સપ્લેન કરે છે how he passed his day. એના દિવસો કેવી રીતના એમણે પાસ કર્યા without Jim, જીમ વગર. So he told that I wanted to hear your voice in my head. It always made me feel you were with me. સો મારે તારો અવાજ સાંભળવો હતો. હું રોજ તમારા લેટર વાંચું છું. મારે તમારો અવાજ સાંભળવો હતો અને મને એવું લાગે કે આ જ્યારે હું લેટર વાંચું ત્યારે તું મારી સાથે જ છે એવું મને લાગે છે. એન્ડ નાવ યુ આર વિથ મી, નાવ યુ આર બેક, યુ કેન રીડ ઇટ ટુ મી યોર સેલ્ફ. હવે તું તારી જાતે આ મને વાંચી બતાવ. વુડ યુ ડુ ધેટ ફોર મી, જીમ ડિયર? So he requested and told, would you do that to me for? I just want to hear your voice again. I had loved that so much. I love your voice so much, my dear Jim, said by Connie Macpherson. And then perhaps we will have some tea. અને પછી આપણે ચા પીશું. We will have some tea. I have made you a nice Christmas cake, marzipan all around. I know how much you loved marzipan. Then we will have some tea and I will prepare you a Christmas cake with marzipan. I know you love it most. Okay, that was the Connie's confusion, and our author continued with her confusion. Okay, અહીંયા આપણા ઓથરે એનું કન્ફ્યુઝન ક્લિયર કર્યું નહીં. એન્ડ Connie thought that he was my dearest husband, Jim. That was the end of our lesson and written by Michel Morpurgo. Okay, here are 2 question comprehension check. First question, who did Connie Macpherson think her visitor was? Who did Connie Macpherson think her visitor was? કોનીને શું લાગ્યું આ વિઝિટર કોણ છે? Connie thought that the visitor was her own husband, Jim Macpherson. કોનીને શું લાગ્યું આ જે વિઝિટર છે એ કોણ છે? Her own husband, Jim Macpherson. Now see the second question. Which sentence in the text show that the visitor did not try to hide his identity? આપણા ઓથરે એની આઈડેન્ટિટી એઝ અ જીમ As a Jim, he did not hide his identity and told that and continued with his identity. એનું કોનીને જે લાગ્યું કે he was a Jim, એ આઈડેન્ટિટીથી કન્ટિન્યુ કર્યું, એણે હાઇડ કર્યું નહીં. એવા કયા સેન્ટેન્સ પરથી આપણને લાગે? That you can see in the last paragraph, first line, I sat down beside her. Here Jim has a chance to reveal his identity, but he did not and continue with Connie's confusion. Okay, he did not reveal his identity here. Okay, so that is all. You have to write down all the question answers in your activity notebook. For the questions we have written in the workbook. All the most of the questions here are there in the workbook. We will written there. So take it, students.